Hey guys, they will learn how to export your presentation to a PDF file using the platform Unni.ai. I've already created my account and created my presentation. This presentation creation is already here on the channel if you want to check it out. To export your presentation into a PDF file is very simple. But first, let's revise our presentation. So let's click Edit Slide so we can check the information if it's according to what you want. This presentation already looks perfect for me, so I'm gonna click here this button, Export. As you can see, you can choose a lot of formats to export. For this video, we're gonna do PDF. So you can click here and here you have your information. So you have your format, your slide side, and your output. This looks good for me, so let's export it. It takes only a couple of seconds. Now that it exported successfully for my computer on the node, then actually you guys can see. Here we have our presentation exported to PDFs. Here you can see that it was successful. The presentation looks exactly like it did in the platform, but you can
Also revise it as you wish. Everything looks great. Thank you for watching.